The SEAT Mumbai XPress 2008, jointly organized by SEAT Limited and Chennai Event Management Services, was flagged off here on Thursday, August 8. The rally will run through southern, central and western India before arriving in Mumbai on August 14th. This 2,000-kilometer race spanning over 14 days will witness 18 teams and 39 participants, including auto rickshaw drivers and 7 women competing under tough climatic and road conditions. The rally was earlier flagged off from Chennai and will make its way through south, central and western India. Reji Mefrate, regional head, SEAT, said, "The event is an international amateur motor rally, which is a distinct race for the rally lovers who like the offbeat. The rally will showcase the technology, quality, toughness and flexibility of SEAT tires." The rally has central goal of adopt a village program where each competing team is assigned a specific village along the route. This initiative is an attempt to increase literacy and decrease child labor.
Having a great time, meeting lots of people in India, all in fancy dress this morning, having a good time, meeting lots of nice people. It's good fun.
How many people are participating in this?
There are 18 teams, with 2 or 3 people in each team. Every morning people are wearing different fancy dress.
How do you feel riding a Daijiworld of India?
Brilliant, great fun, really good.
How is the performance of the Indians?
Good, really, lovely people, great people.
How many kilometers you have been?
So far we've done 600 kilometers, almost 2,000 kilometers to get to Mumbai.
Where is the next destination?
Next destination is Batkal. We've got a long day today, we're off to a school this morning, going to say hi to the children, and then off to Batkal this evening.
Any message to the people?
Just keep being Indian, it's great. Thank you. Thank you.
When he gets home at night, he just sleeps and talks about Ipswich Town all night.
Absolutely amazing. Every day has been really different. We've seen a lot of really good schools. All the school kids are amazing. All Indian people are so friendly. Whenever you're driving along, people are always pulling up alongside you and chatting, and it's fantastic. And then yesterday we were up in the mountains, all the windy roads, brilliant scenery.
Good time, really. It's better than lying on a beach, isn't it?
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishes a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8, 42214 Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
The Social Cultural Research Workshop of Karnataka Theological Society was inaugurated at a program organized at Sahodaya Hall, Balmata on Thursday, August 7th. The program was organized by the Development Studies Department of Hampi Kannada University. Director of the Research Center, Dr. J.S. Sadanand, inaugurated the workshop. Kannada University Vice Chancellor, Dr. A.M. Marigeppa, presided over. Professor of the Research Center, Professor A.V. Navada, and Dr. M. Chandra Pujari were also present on the occasion.
ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಧ್ಯೇಯ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಧರ್ಮ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ದೈವಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿತಿಗೊಳಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಜೀವನದ ಅಥವಾ ಅಧ್ಯಯನದ ವಿವಿಧ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ವಿಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಜ್ಞರು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಥಿಯಾಲಜಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಥಿಯಾಲಜಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಧರ್ಮ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಜೀವನದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು. ರಿಲಿಜನ್ ಥಿಯಾಲಜಿ ರಿಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಅದಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಆ ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನದವರು ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಗಮ್ಮಟವನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತಸ ತಂದಿದೆ.